We will now begin creating the main conversation stream. We start with the service support structure created for the topic. We will use this structure as a guideline to set up a menu-guided conversation using the access request category as the example. In the first part of the design, we need to identify the user's request and direct them to the correct conversation flow. To do this, we start with a question. On the right diagram, we added, "What kind of help are you looking for?" We then add responses to identify the category of the requests. I need help with Oracle Access. I have an issue using Oracle, and I need information about Oracle. Selecting one of these leads them to a second list of menu options. The options created include coverage for the subcategory of incidents identified in the analysis step. These should also be aligned with how the service offering is supported. These options were created based on various conditions on how users submit access requests and can vary from organization to organizations. The choices should be limited, simple to understand, and cover all the requests that a user may have. In our example, we created request new access to Oracle, request update to Oracle Access, reset Oracle password, report error with Oracle Access. The first four options cover all types of access requests for Oracle, and the last option, report error with Oracle Access, assures that all other access issues are captured. Finally, we also add navigation options to address exceptions in the conversation. If the user does not find a valid option to select from, they can select Nevermind to cancel the conversation, or Different Oracle Issue to loop back one step. The next step of the design process is to create the fulfillment flow for Help with Oracle Access options. We start with designing the flow for Request New Access to Oracle. We begin with reviewing the detailed analysis results, which includes the required information, available resources, assignment group, and the fulfillment process. In this case, it's clear what the user needs. And in our analysis step, we identified that a catalog item is available in the service portal for requesting new Oracle Access. Here's a completed flow design for this request. We've already identified the user's request in the first part of the design. Next, we add the actions to provide a response to the user with information indicating that they can submit the request through the Application Access Request form in the service portal. We add the action to fulfill the request in a link to the Application Access Request form. Finally, we add follow-up information or questions for the user to either continue with assistance or end the conversation.